Camping Mini Project by Colby, Collin,
Frank,
and Luke.
Concept generation method number 1, brainstorming. We thought it would be convenient for campers if they could fold up their cot into a camping chair. Concept generation method number 2, idea trigger. We branched off from the previous cot design and built a chair and combined it with the idea of a suitcase to make a suitcase chair that could fold up and increase portability. Concept generation method number 3, 635.
We received this idea from another group during our 635 session during class.
Concept generation method number 4, biomimicry.
This is a circular fire ring that is collapsible. The collapsibility was inspired by the folding up of an armadillo.
These ideas, along with others, were put into our concept scoring matrix. Our winners ended up being the hammock chair, the bar stool chair, and the chicken wire ring.
The concept that came in third place was a fire ring made out of chicken wire. It's designed to be collapsible and portable.
This is the math model for the chicken wire ring. We chose to calculate the volume enclosed in the wire ring compared to the volume that it would take up when it is stored. This concept came in second place. It is a traditional bar stool with a cooler.
We used Euler's method to determine the maximum force that the 4 pegs on the bar stool could handle.
This concept came in first place. It was inspired by kangaroo pouches.
We used the law of cosines to determine the angle between the arms of the chair, and thus the percentage of weight held by the top and bottom portions.
After our first sketch, we decided to make a new sketch that would allow us to quickly create the concept in CAD. 9 separate pieces were created and assembled in CAD to create a 3D model of the chair. The dimensions of the parts in CAD are the same as the real prototype. Three holes were drilled into 11 pieces of PVC pipe that string was later fed through. All 6 pieces of wood were either cut to size or drilled to later be bolted together. The wood pieces were hammered together, which was difficult to do in a dorm room. The strung together pipes were then tied to the wooden frame. Testing, sitting, and setting up. Ooh. Is it comfy? One of the knots came out. It's not that uncomfortable. Alright, now get up.
Possible improvements for this chair include replacing the nails we use for the supports with screws so that the wood doesn't split once we hammer it in. Another improvement would be making adjustable pins.